गुरुगणेशाभ्याम नमः। श्री गणेश चतुर्थी और विनायक चतुर्थी of Bhadrapada Masa is very important. It is on this day that 10-day long Ganesha festival starts. Parthiva Ganesha Pujanam starts on this day. Parthiva means idol made of Prithvi, clay. So the name itself implies that the idol should be made of clay. It is not a concept brought by nature lovers. It is originally meant that way only. Commercialization of everything, including religion and spirituality, has brought in so many changes. Ganesha festival has particular significance in Maharashtra. Ganesha Chaturthi or Parthiva Ganesha Pujan used to be a private household celebration earlier. In the year 1893, the nationalist leader, great Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak, turned it into a community festival, social festival. There is also evidence that Ganesha festival was originally started by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj to promote patriotism and culture. Even if that is the case, Lokmanya Tilak was instrumental in its revival. Why Ganesha? Why Ganesha in a community festival? Because then also Lord Ganesha was every man's god. When the caste system was prevalent and strong, Lord Ganesha was worshipped by all strata of the society, upper caste, lower caste, rich, poor, scholar, common man, leader, follower. They all liked and worshipped Lord Ganesha alike even then. So celebrating Ganesha festival was a good method to bridge the gap between various groups. The Lord is brought home on the day of Chaturthi and worshipped for 10 days. He goes back on Ananta Chaturdashi. When he goes back, the idol is carried to the sea or a nearby water body and immersed. This is called Visarjan. So there are two things here, Sarjan and Visarjan. Sarjan is when the idol and the whole setup is created during Chaturthi. Then Visarjan. It's elimination after 10 days. These days, as a matter of convenience, the 10-day festival is often cut short to lesser number of days. There is something very puzzling about Ganesha festival. People celebrate sending away of the Lord more than bringing him home. During Visarjan, there will be drum beat, singing, dancing, colors. Not so much when the Lord comes home. When he comes home, it is like the priest comes and performs Prana Pratishta, like a typical puja, wherein everybody is well behaved, silent. But singing and dancing at the time of Visarjan. You'll be surprised to see this. Often puzzled also. People have come out with so many explanations for this. They are singing and dancing because he will come back again next year. They are showing that we are so happy to have served you. Come back again fast. Good display of emotion, agreed. Some cynics also say that they are happy because after a few days of restricted living, they are getting back to normal life. These can't be the reasons. Originally, if you see, the scriptures don't talk about any such celebration at the time of Visarjan. But who are the people behind this festival? Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Lokmanya Tilak, great visionaries. What are they trying to convey? Let's see. Sarjan and Visarjan. Sarjan, creation. Then sustenance for some time. And Visarjan, elimination. This is what happens to everything. Lord Ganesha is telling us, he is giving us this knowledge. Anything that is created, it has to go after some time. Whatever Brahma creates, Vishnu protects for some time and then Shiva comes and eliminates. This is inevitable. Whatever you see around you, they are not permanent. They will go. They will have to go. House, vehicle, everything. Buy a new car. The government will not allow you to run it after 15 years or 20 years, whatever. So don't get attached to it. A building, a house has a life, 30 years, 50 years. After that you will have to demolish. So Lord Ganesha is teaching us, everything including my own idol will have to go at some point of time. Celebrating this knowledge that you have acquired, celebrating this freedom from attachment that you have acquired. This is what you are doing when you are singing and dancing during Visarjan. Ganesha Dharva Shirsha is one of the most heard mantras during Ganesha festival. When the Lord is with us for these few days, as a living presence at home or in the neighborhood, He teaches so many things, So many things provided you are ready to listen. Tvameva pratyaksham tattvamasi. Tat, that, the truth, the ultimate truth, the supreme truth is you. This is being told to Lord Ganesha. The Vedantic principle of tattvamasi, tat tvam asi, that whatever truth you are searching for is you yourself, I myself. This entire creation is divinity itself. Every man is divine, every woman is divine, every plant is divine, every animal is divine, every mountain is divine, every river is divine. There is nothing other than divinity anywhere. And Lord Ganesha's very form conveys this principle to us, that man himself is God. God is not different from man. This the Lord teaches us. We will not get into how his form conveys the principle of Tattvamasi now. It is already explained in the discourses on Ganesha Atharva Shirsha. You can refer to that. But here in Ganesha festival, the Lord is telling us, even when this idol of mine is gone, I'll be still with you, all around you, in every being around you. That is when you will realize, Tvameva sarvam khalvidam brahmasi, sarvam khalvidam brahma. Aren't all these, everything that we see, aren't all these supreme truth itself? This is why our Vedas tell us that worship plants, worship rivers, worship Mother Earth. These are the divinities. Worship sun, worship clouds. Our saints say Naraseva, Narayana Seva. This is what the Lord teaches us during his stay with us, during Ganesha festival. He teaches that even when you immerse my idol in water, I am not going anywhere, I am still with you. And this idol of mine is just following a principle of the nature. Whatever is created is eliminated after some time. But this knowledge that the Lord gives us is permanent. Lord is telling us, celebrate this knowledge that you have acquired. Celebrate this freedom that you have acquired. Having learned this, sing, dance to the beats of drums, throw colors around. I am not going anywhere. I am always with you. This is why there is so much of singing and dancing during Ganesh Visarjan. Celebration of this knowledge acquired during the Lord's stay with us. Ganeshaya Namaha.
यज्ञानश्रेष्ठतमं कर्म